वेलकम टू A1 ग्राफिक्स। हम आपके ट्रस्टेड पार्टनर है ऑफसेट प्रिंटिंग सॉल्यूशन के 2013 से। हम इटली, जापान, चाइना और जर्मनी जैसी कंट्रीज से हाई क्वालिटी प्रिंटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स को इंपोर्ट करते हैं आपके लिए। अनबीटेबल प्राइस और अनमैच आफ्टर सेल सर्विस के साथ हम हर कस्टमर और डीलर के प्रिंटिंग नीड्स को पूरा करने का वादा करते हैं।
Like super pack calibrated paper made in Italy, plate packing films, anti-marking films, star offset printing chemicals, cutting sticks, CTCB plate, thermal plate, offset printing blankets for UV, conventional, all type of blankets, cutting sticks, offset perforation rule, GNU from Germany, creasing matrix, ejection rubber, patch tape, GSM scale and cutter, die cutting rule, die punches, rigid box tape, common consumables for Heidelberg, common consumables for all offset, and all type of offset spares for Komori and Heidelberg.
हमारा मिशन है पूरे इंडिया में हाई क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स की रेगुलर सप्लाई करना ताकि हर ऑफसेट प्रिंटिंग मटेरियल आसानी से अवेलेबल हो सके।
A1 Graphics import anti-marking films from Japan, which are extremely premium in quality. It is available both in adhesive and non-adhesive variant. It is available in roll form as well as sheet form, depending on the customer needs. For conventional premium segment, we have Hulk Japan, which is a combi and high-speed blanket. It can be used in metal printing also. In mid-range, we have Hulk Green, DC Green. And in economical range, we have imported blue blanket. We have Chinese UV blanket also. We also import in the refurbished and used blanket for coating and printing purposes. We do barring to the blankets also. 2-ply under blanket are also available with us.
We deal in plate packing films that is imported from Hong Kong. It is self-adhesive and is used in plate packing for offset machinery. Multiple types of thickness are available for different machines like 350 micron and 400 micron for Heidelberg, 120, 160 micron for Komori, and many more options. A1 provides common consumables for offset like wedges, ink mixing, knives, eyeglasses. In this, we have 10x, 15x, 20x, 30x, zooming capacity, belt fixing machine, and other products. The rigid box tape, also known as corner tape or pad tape, is also available at A1 Graphics. It is 19 mm in width, 300 meter in length, and contains 24 pieces in a box. A1 Graphics provide a complete range of chemicals that are used in the offset printing industry. Under the banner of Star Chemicals, we offer supreme quality chemicals at economical price range. It has a massive product range featuring wash, UV wash, alcohol, found, single window found, tag reducer, plate cleaner, gum, lamination, adhesive, and many more.
A1 Graphic is the only distributor in India that deals in GNU offset perforation rule, which is a product made in Germany. GNU is a company which ensures the finest quality in the world.
We import our creasing matrix from Hong Kong. We have two variations in star creasing matrix. We offer two different types. Red one is for up to 30,000 impression. Green one is for up to 50,000 impression. It is one of the finest quality and cost-effective matrix. The allied product we offer the ejection rubber, patch tape, creasing matrix cutter, profile rubber. We also have pneumatic waste stripper, GSM scale, and GSM cutter. Super pack calibrated paper, imported from Italy, and officially the first underpacking paper certified by POGRA. The calibrated paper is also known as blanket packing paper and manila paper. A1 provides all sizes and multiple options of thickness for all types of offset printing machines.
We have a wide range of offset printing blankets for different users and machines like conventional printing, UV printing, and coating.
We also deal in die cutting rule and creasing rule, which is manufactured in Hong Kong. A1 currently offers rules for automatic laser machines and aims to provide manual die rules too in future. The die punch we deal in is made by Boomer. A1 ग्राफिक्स का विश्वास है क्वालिटी एंड रिलायबिलिटी, क्योंकि प्रिंटिंग इंडस्ट्री में A1 इज द प्रेफर।